In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove all metadata from photos in Adobe Bridge. Whether you're preparing your work for a client, aiming to maintain your privacy, or simply seeking a cleaner presentation of your images, understanding how to strip metadata is an essential skill. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, open Adobe Bridge, which acts as a powerful media manager, well-suited for organizing and managing photos. Navigate your way through Bridge to locate the folder containing the images for which you want to clear metadata. Ensuring you are in the correct folder is crucial. Otherwise, you might end up modifying the wrong files. Next, once you're certain you're in the right folder, select one or more images whose metadata you intend to clear. If you have a lot of images and need to select many at once, you can click on the first image, hold the Shift key, and then click on the last image in the range you want to select. If you're a Mac user, you can do the same by holding the Command key. With your images selected, you'll then head to the File menu at the top of your screen. From there, choose File Info. This action will open a dialog box, presenting a plethora of fields populated with metadata associated with your selected images. It's here that you can manually clear metadata fields such as keywords, copyright information, or GPS data. Simply select the values in these fields and delete them. Be thorough and double-check each field to make sure nothing unwanted remains. In addition to manual deletion, there's a more streamlined approach for clearing metadata. If you regularly need to remove large amounts of metadata, consider creating a metadata template that has blank values for fields you often clear. You can apply this template through the menu pathway. Head to Tools, then Metadata. Select Replace Metadata, and choose your pre-made blank template. This method is efficient, especially when dealing with large batches of images. After you have finished clearing out or replacing the metadata, the final and crucial step is to ensure these changes are applied to your files. Click OK or Apply within the dialog box to make sure your modifications are saved. This step writes the cleared metadata back to your image files, so don't skip it, or all your efforts will be in vain. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now confidently remove metadata from your images using Adobe Bridge, giving you control over the information attached to your files. Make sure to save your work, and do a quick check to confirm the metadata has been removed. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.